The Arabian Gulf is warming twice as fast as the global average. Corals bleach, mangroves vanish, seagrass suffocates, our sea is dying. From Dubai, Shira'a sets sail, a biomimetic monument confronting oil spills, desalination brine, plastic waste, and collapsing ecosystems. Inspired by the sailfish, the fastest fish in the sea, with a canopy rising like a fin, a streamlined body that cuts the currents, and a living skin that adapts and harvests energy. Inside, 4 living organs sustain its mission. The brain, an AI hub with drones, forecasting change. The heart, coral nurseries, algae chambers, and labs renewing life. The spine, its backbone, circulating energy and systems. The voice, an immersive hall where public can experience the ocean's unseen future. Shira'a, not just a sail on water, but the living heartbeat of the ocean.